Hi friends, this video shows how to turn off both PS5 and TV at the same time by enabling power off link feature. Please don't forget to subscribe this channel. Please like and share the video. First go to settings. Set settings icon from top right corner. Go to system. Under system select HDMI. Under HDMI here we can see enable power off link. So you can see right now this option has been disabled. Let me enable it. Done. So after this, when we power off TV, PS5 will automatically go to rest mode. Read that message. If you turn off the device connected to your PS5 will enter rest mode. So this way we can turn off both PS5 and TV at the same time. See, just check this first option. So if you enable this first option, we can turn on both the PS5 and TV at the same time. So these two features are very useful. You can check it. We can save some time by enabling these two features. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Please subscribe this channel. Please like and share the video.